Today we're down at Northern Carolina, down here to check out JGR Suzuki. John Brasher, the brand manager, has invited us in to take us around and show us a little bit about what goes on at JGR Suzuki. So let's go in and check it out. G'day, John.
Hey, Brendan, nice to meet you. Thank you for visiting.
Thank you very much for the invite. I'm so excited.
So JGR MX, two stories here. I want to let everybody know that visitors can come. Also,
so anyone can come and you'll take them for a tour?
Yep. So as you can see here, the engine area, vital component of any race team, certainly for ours. We have the 450 and the 250 race team. So factory support, really exciting time for 2018. We got the full factory race team from Suzuki, which is exciting, which is 250, 450.
What do you work on to get power out of a 250?
Compression, and certainly there's a point of diminishing returns that you can't just keep adding more and more compression, but durability factors in there, how much heat you're building because of those factors, high compression pistons, machined heads, special valves, valve seats, CNC ports so that we can duplicate our settings from engine to engine so that we have everything runs the same.
Yeah.
Throttle bodies, ECUs, radiators for the cooling, it goes on and on and on.
This is the parts room. It's an engine builder's dream. It's pretty amazing. Thanks to our sponsors, what they can provide us with.
Yeah.
So if you're looking in, you see all these different pistons.
Ooh.
Obviously V7, that's the 7th version that they're working on. Just a lot of technology put into the engines. Now that we're a full factory team for 2018,
Yep.
a lot of development. So here it is. It's where the action happens.
This is what I like. How cool is this?
Yep.
We're here on a Monday, straight after High Point, and it's not even lunchtime. Bikes are bare, ready to go, all stripped down, so they'll clean engines up to the engine department, suspension to the suspension department. Then once that's done, how long does it take before they'll put those bikes back together? Will it be another day or 2 days?
Day and a half, 2 days.
250. Now this is a new program for you guys.
The goal is to get guys, start them on that 250, have them be successful.
Yeah.
Move up to the 450 class and be successful, all under the JGR awning.
That is awesome. So you're really keeping it as a program, like a little junior program, and then you're willing to keep them up to the 450, as long as they want to stay, of course.
Yes.
But that's a really cool program to be able to do that. You need some sunglasses on to be looking around here.
Yeah, a lot of bling.
And how often do they do a suspension change? Like, will they service suspension?
Constantly. I mean,
really?
After every race, they're rebuilding shocks and forks. We have a shock and fork dyno, $250,000 machine that what Johnny does is he builds a suspension and then he tests it and breaks it in and makes sure that it is how it's supposed to perform on the track.
Well, John, that's been amazing, mate. Thank you so much for that
no
tour.
problem.
That was really cool to find out about that and talk to the guys. And you also let the guys, anyone from Australia that comes over, you do a trip around for them as well.
Yes.
Which is free of charge.
Absolutely.
Even better.
We would love to see our Australian friends. That'd be great.
Oh, mate, I'm sure they'd love to come down here. But not only here, but half a mile up, they get to see the Nascars as well. So, it's worth a trip coming down to North Carolina to see you guys, see what's happening down here. You guys are building, really good things. I think you're going to be way up the ladder there next year. There's no doubt about it. You're certainly climbing now. You're on Suzuki.
Yeah, appreciate it. That is the goal. Thank you, Brendan.
Thank you again, mate. I really appreciate it.
All right.
Hopefully we're back next year. I'll be here.
We'd love it.
See you, buddy.
Let's do some riding.
Hey.